Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font on the Samsung. First of all, go into settings and choose display. Now you need to scroll down, click on font size and style over here and go into font style. Then click on download fonts and click on this icon next to Rosemary 1. After that, wait a bit and go back. As you can see, Rosemary font is now over here. In order to set it up, just tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!